Nasunod mo ba lahat to?
Yes, Your Honor.
Paano mo masusunod yung hindi mo alam? Hindi mo nga alam eh. Paano mo masusunod?
Sorry po, Your Honor.
Ano?
I'm sorry po, Your Honor.
Sinabihan na kita ng una, huwag mo akong bulahin.
Wala po akong nakitang motor kundi po yung sa akin tsaka yung sa kapatid ko.
Oh, wala palang motor, kotse daw.
Dalawang kotse po sila.
Perez, sabi mo kanina may motor ka.
Yes, Your
saka,
Honor.
excuse Mr. Chairman, may I ask that lady?
What about that lady?
I asked her to meet, please,
Now, what is your personality in this hearing?
Oh, no, sir. I just asked her to answer you.
No,
sir.
no, I ask you, what is your personality in this
Oh,
hearing?
I don't have, sir.
May I know who was the team leader of that operation?
Police Master Sergeant Juan Amparo Macaraig, Your Honor.
Master Sergeant, did you follow or alam mo ba yung manual ninyo sa illegal drug operations?
Yes, Your Honor.
And may I know how many phases are there? If you know. Kasi kung hindi mo masagot yun, basic yun na dapat 3 phases yung operations na ganito.
5, Your Honor.
5? Could you please enumerate the 5?
Planning po, coordination, surveillance.
Hindi mo alam. Sasagot mo palang iho, hindi mo alam.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Alam mo, hindi ako magtatanong ng tanong na hindi ko alam yung sagot normally.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Ha? Huwag kang magsasabi ng alam mo kung hindi mo alam. Kasi kung nagsisinungaling ka sa maliit na bagay, magsisinungaling ka na sa malalaking bagay. Alam mo ba yung ibig kong sabihin? Tinitesting ko lang kung magsasalita ka ng totoo, iho. Di ba? Tinanong ko lang kung alam mo yung proseso ng anti-illegal drug operations. Sabi mo, alam mo. Pero sa unang tanong ko pa lang, bagsak ka na. There are 3 phases. Iho. Yung prior to bypass operation, the bypass operation itself, and the post-operation. Maski tanungin mo yung mga opisyal na nakakaalam nito. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, nasunod mo ba lahat to?
Yes, Your Honor.
Paano mo masusunod yung hindi mo alam? Hindi mo nga alam eh. Paano mo masusunod? Niloloko mo yata ako.
Nagkaroon, sir, kami
Hindi
ng...
mo nga alam yung proseso eh. Tapos sasabihin mo sa akin, sinusunod mo? Master Sergeant, niloloko mo na ako niyan eh. Di ba? Paano mo susundin o susunod sa isang bagay na hindi mo alam? Kindly explain it to me.
I'm sorry po, Your Honor.
Ano?
I'm sorry po, Your Honor.
Oh. Sinabihan na kita ng una, huwag mo akong bulahin. Kasi mas matagal ako sa pulis kaysa sa iyo eh. Ew. Now, may I go to Madam Michi? Kayo po ba ang bumaril kay Brian?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Bakit mo siya binaril?
Dahil binaril niya din ako, sir. Your Honor.
Ano?
Binaril niya din po ako, sir.
Ibig mo sabihin siya ang unang bumaril.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ibig sabihin, kung nakikinig ako sa pagsasagot mo kanina, 2 beses siyang pumutok. Di po ba? Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, magkasunod na putok yung pinutok sa iyo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
At a distance of 5 meters. Yun ang sinasabi mo kanina.
More or less, Your Honor.
More or less. Sige. So, ibig sabihin, hindi asintado si Brian, ikaw asintado dahil sinabi mo kanina, isang putok ka lang, pinatamaan mo sa paa para ma-disable siya. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama? Napakagaling mo, Iha. May I know what kind of firearm you have?
Sir, yung issued firearm po, Glock 17 9mm, sir.
Glock
Glock 17, sir.
Glock 17. 9mm. Ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. How many times do you practice shooting that firearm?
Sir, kakatapos ko lang, sir,
Hindi yun ang tanong ko. Hindi ko tinatanong sa iyo, Iha, kung kailan. Ang tinatanong ko, ilang beses kang nagpa-practice na magpaputok ng firearm mo na yan?
Madami po. Ano, sir, mga once a month, sir.
Once a month. Kasi, yun ang SOP. Matanong ko nga, RD, yun ba yung SOP ninyo? Na members of the police force will fire their firearms once a month?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, Iha. Kasi alam ko naman na kasi yung mga security ko, Iha, police din eh. Eh sila nire-require ng kanilang opisina na mag-report sa opisina para iputok nila mag-practice na bumaril. Alam ko yun. Kasi for you to be able to make sure na tamaan mo sa paa ay isang tao, hindi po ako naniniwala dahil shooter din ako, Iha eh. Hindi mo ako mapaniwala doon. Na putukan ka ng 2 beses, kaya mo pang putukan sa paa, precisely on the leg, yung biktima. Di ba? Kasi sinabi mo, una siyang pumutok eh. Ang unang instinct ng tao ay mag-cover at pumutok. Kaya Iha, sa mga statement mo, hindi mo ako mapaniwala. So, Mr. Chair, I think the investigation conducted by the provincial director of the province of Bulacan ay medyo kompleto.
Batangas.
Batangas.
Yes.
Ay kompleto. Tinignan niya lahat yung mga violations na na ginawa nung team na nag-operate.
And we have to commend the provincial
I agree.
director and the of Batangas and also regional director General Lucas for
Kasi,
a job well done. Sige, go ahead.
Ang pinakamasaklap nito bakit sila nag-operate doon sa hindi nila jurisdiction?
Exactly.
And I think the statement or the investigation of the provincial director of Batangas is that inireport pa nila na doon sa Batangas, San Juan, Batangas, nangyari. Doon pa lang sa mga report nila, Mr. Chair, ay talagang binibitin na nila yung mga sarili nila eh. My interpellation will continue in the next hearing, Mr. Chair. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po, Chairman Acop. Before we proceed and before I recognize Congressman Paduano, the Chair would like to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Bienvenido Abante. Meron kaming susunod na hearing dito yung aming pong excess debts. Kaya siguro 5 minutes na lang po tayo, but we will be inviting over again all these people who are involved. Ang tanong ko lamang kasi, dito sa affidavit nung si Adrian Dimalig Laresma, na matapos na mabaril ang aking kapatid na si Brian ay hinila ng mga operatiba na sakay sa pulang kotse upang ipasok sa loob ng nasabing sasakyan. Na pagkapasok ng aking kapatid na nasabing sasakyan ay pilit akong pinaalis ng mga operatiba sa lugar ng pinangyarihan ng insidente at dahil sa takot ako'y umalis na at patungo sa di kalayuan ng insidente doon sa Barangay del Rosario, Chaong. So nangyari sa Chaong. So, hinila niyo yung katawan ng tao, isinakay niyo sa sasakyan, inilipat niyo ng San Juan para hindi na kayo magko-coordinate doon sa Chaong Municipal Station. Is this correct assumption? Makaraig?
No, Your Honor.
So, mali ako. Mali kami sa mga binabasa namin ngayon, ng mga affidavit, lahat, and even the report of the provincial director and regional director. Mali kami lahat. Kayo, tama. Ganun ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So kami nagsisinungaling, hindi kayo nagsisinungaling. Makaraig. So nagsisinungaling kami mga members of this committee. Can you reply to me directly? Nagsisinungaling kami.
No, Your Honor.
Oh. So hindi kami nagsisinungaling. So tama kami. Makaraig. So tama kami. Kayo mali. Okay. So I will not be laboring on that issue anymore. I'm just wanted to clarify on this hearing that the reason why we put back this resolution of Congressman Acop is dumadami na naman po report ng bypass operation sa amin. So before we end, last word from Congressman. Series of question. Nakakaya na yung yung susunod na And we will be tackling also the issue of sige, Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. RD, tsaka PD. May paraffin result ba? Nakunan ba ng paraffin result yung
Sir, meron na po.
Mayroon. So, anong resulta ng paraffin result?
Negative po pareho, Your Honor.
Negative pareho. O di, ayun. Napakagaling mong bumaril, binaril ka. Perez ba? Perez. Pero nung lumabas yung paraffin result, paraffin test, negative. O saan ngayon ang pagpuputok ng biktima? O ito pa, sabi mo kanina 5 meters. 5 meters ha? 5 meters. Mr. Laresma. Sino bang unang dumating, ikaw o yung kapatid mo sa lugar?
Una po yung kapatid ko po.
Okay. Pagdating naunang kapatid mo, so pagdating mo, nandun na yung kapatid mo?
Opo.
Okay. Pagdating mo, nandun na ba yung mga pulis?
Halos sabay-sabay po kami. Dalawang kotse po sila eh. Parang
Halos sabay?
Opo.
Okay.
Sabay-
So si Perez kanina is claiming na may nangyaring bypass. Ano ba nakita mo? Nag-usap muna sila ni Perez o...
Wala po ako nakita po. Sabay-sabay po kami dumating. Tapos po,
Tapos?
bigla po siyang bumaba ng kotse. Sabay binaril na po yung kapatid ko.
Kotse, hindi motor.
Hindi po. Wala po ako nakitang motor kundi po yung sa akin tsaka yung sa kapatid ko.
Oh, wala palang motor, kotse daw.
Dalawang kotse po sila.
Perez. Sabi mo kanina may motor ka. Perez, tinatanong kita.
Yes, Your
sandali,
Honor.
excuse Mr. Chairman, may I ask that lady? At your back?
Yes, Congressman Paduano. What about that lady?
Good afternoon.
Sing.
Good afternoon, sir. Your Honor. Good afternoon, Chairperson, and to the members. I approached the Secretariat a while ago and introduced my name. I am Attorney Rotzi Laurino Bermejo, and I will tell them that I will be sitting at the back, sir. So I'm just asking Michi to answer you, sir, because apparently...
No, but you cannot coach. You know?
I didn't coach, sir. I didn't.
Oh, why you are telling them her to answer me?
I asked her to... please
Now,
answer.
what is your personality in this hearing?
Oh, no, sir. I just asked her to answer you.
No,
sir.
no, I ask you, what is your personality in this
Oh,
hearing?
I don't have, sir. That's why I asked
So you don't have?
permission. Yes, sir.
So you don't have business here?
I assist the San Juan Police Station.
Oh, you assist. You're the
Yes.
council.
Yeah, yes, sir. I assist.
Oh, you
them
should
today.
present yourself in this committee, not hiding at the back. Second, let me remind you, attorney, if the chairman will not allow you to give advices to your clients, you cannot.
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
You understand, but you never tell us that you go.
I went
No,
to the
in this committee,
secretariat.
not in the secretariat.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, sir.
Were you invited by this committee to be present on today's hearing?
No, sir. I was
Oh,
not.
why are you here? Who invited you over?
The San Juan Police Station, sir.
No.
Who hired you to be a part of their team?
It was the police station of San Juan.
Police station, because the police station is being
sorry, hold on.
represented by the new chief of police, ha?
Sir,
Hindi siya.
Sir Lingan and the rest.
So
sir.
you were hired by Colonel Layag to be his personal counsel.
Yes, sir. I was
But
requested,
you
Mr. Chair.
did not inform the committee or the COMSEC about your presence on today's hearing.
I informed the secretariat a
Who?
while ago, sir.
Who among us?
Over there.
Na-inform ba kayo?
I am so sorry, but I informed them a while
Ngayon lang.
ago.
Oh.
Ma'am, yes, sir, sorry.
Mr. Chairman.
Okay, but nevertheless, please, if you whisper or say something on those invited resource speakers, you ask the permission of the chair.
I
Otherwise, in the next time, we will putting you outside of this committee hearing. Okay? Go ahead,
I
Congressman.
understand perfectly, Your Honor.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Attorney.
Thank you, sir, sorry.
Perez. O yun. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko.
Yes, sir.
O anong yes, sir?
May motor, sir.
May motor. Now you still stand na may motor.
Yes, sir.
Kanino motor yon?
Sa Alpa, sir.
Sa Alpa mo. And you will not tell this committee your Alpa.
Sir?
You will not tell this committee who is your Alpa. Tama?
Yes, sir. I can
Okay.
tell, sir.
Pupunta natin yan sa next hearing. Kasi tatagal tayo dyan. Anyway, ganito. Sa statement mo kanina, sabi mo, na-consummate yung bypass. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes po.
Okay. So, nagbigayan.
Yes, sir.
Mark money, item. Tama? O ba't pinatukan mo yung subject?
Sir, mas nauna niya po akong pinatukan.
Hindi
sir.
nga, tanong nga, ba't puputukan ka ng subject? Na-consummate ang bypass eh. Kung nagdududa sa'yo, yung subject nyo, dapat hindi na-consummate yung bypass, nagkabarila na. Oh, di ba? And, alam mo, Perez, hindi ako investigador, si chairman na ako pa investigador, pero nakakaintindi rin ako konti sa investigasyon. Tsaka chairman, tingnan mo sinasabi niya kanina, mas mabuti sana sinabi mo na hindi na-consummate. Kasi kung na-consummate, walang reason na paputukan ka ng subject. Second, kung na-consummate yung bypass, hindi kayo magkalayo nun. At saka nagkaputukan. Kasi, paano makonsummate ang isang bagay kung 5 meters yung distance nyo? Magbibigayan ba kayo in 5 meters? O ilagay mo dyan, yung pera, ilagay ko dito yung items. Ganon ba? Hindi. In short, kung na-consummate yung transaction, kadikit mo yun. At the very least, yung distance nyo is only 1 meter. Not 5 meters. Oh,
Congressman Paduano, if I may. Medyo late na po tayo sa susunod na issue. But I promise you.
Last na chairman ito manifestation
In the
na lang.
next hearing, you will be the first to ask questions.
Manifestation na lang, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, go
Hindi na
ahead.
ako magtatanong. Anyway, Perez, sa mga pulis, alam nyo, hindi pa tayo tapos. No? In the next hearing, baka madagdag kayo dyan. Saka alam ni RD yung record ko As a private citizen, as a congressman, alam ni RD kung paano ko sumuporta sa pulis. Pag tama kayo, titindigan kayo dito sa Congress. Pero pag mali kayo, pasensyahan tayo dito. Sa ngayon pa lang, alam ko nagsisinungaling ka, Perez. And I have to ask again, yung mga kasamaan mo dyan, pati yung investigador nyo. Kasi 5 lang naman kayo, di ba? Nag-operate?
Yes,
Tama?
sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Chairman,
Oh,
I will reserve my question in
Yes,
the next
okay.
hearing.
Thank you so much,
Chairman.
Congressman Paduano. And let this be a reminder to all our members of the organization. Medyo mabigat po itong ating mga kinalalagyan. Nakakaawa po yung mga matitinong mga pulis na dadamay po sila. But we have to do this. We have to do this to cleanse the structure of our PNP. Last na tanong ko na to bago tapusin. Kasi kanina nalaman natin 7 PM lang dumating yung yung PIDEA report. Tapos 6:45 nag-operate na kayo. No firearm, na nakalagay sa initial report yung 38 caliber, wala. Tapos no coordination with the Chaong Police Station. So, have you done this on your own? I know Colonel wala ka doon, Chief, wala ka doon, Wala ka sa area, di ba?